Hi, welcome to Project Geospatial. I'm Adam Simmons.
And I'm Mason Rothman.
And this episode, we're actually in St. Louis.
Yeah, we're in St. Louis. We just got in yesterday, and we're here for the Geospatial Gateway Forum.
So that is an event sponsored by USGIF.
Mm-hmm.
I almost consider it the halfway point between the GeoInt symposiums in general.
Okay.
Yeah. So call. It's kind of like your halfway conference. Although this event is hosted in St. Louis because it's NGA West is here, and it normally happens at the midway between the GeoInt symposiums. I know St. Louis plans to host the actual GeoInt symposium in the coming years.
I think it's in 23 and 25 or something.
We'll have to double check those dates. But
I remember from GeoInt whenever they announced it, and the mayor, et cetera, were there. But I think it's just before the building's done and then right after the building's finished. So you get a before and after in those years.
So what's going on here? What's the schedule look like, Mason?
This morning, it started at 10 a.m. and it's going to 4 p.m. It's the GeoInt Community Job Fair is the first thing going on.
So that's a great thing to go to, especially in a local area. Actually, I've been hit up a couple times in terms of Army folks getting out and looking for jobs within the geospatial community, and Air Force folks, just people within the imagery and geospatial career field looking for something more local to St. Louis. Well, this is a good opportunity to check that out. Next on the list is what do we got?
We got the YPG panel and networking event at T-Rex tonight. So a little bit about T-Rex.
So T-Rex, as I recall, and correct me if I'm wrong, this is a new facility, and it's more of a kind of an incubator, as I recall.
Yeah, startup incubator type.
Not just focused on the geospatial community, although there's a good overlap with them, but really designed to kickstart, once again, startups within the local area.
And I look forward to seeing what they have to offer tonight and learn a little bit more about them this evening and meet some folks there.
Absolutely. So finally, Monday, at least today, we wrap up with a welcome reception, and that happens at the Ballpark Village from 5 to 7 p.m. And we should be an excellent introduction and see some old friends, old faces.
Yeah, I'm just looking through right now and seeing what's going on for the rest of the week here, actually, too.
Yeah. And then tomorrow is the big event, which is Show Me the Geospatial Tradecraft. And that's going to be hosted at the America Center Convention Complex from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Tuesday, October 8th. Now, that ends tomorrow night with the network reception at the Globe Building from 4:30 to 7.
Right.
But this is the main industry event. There isn't a closed event for folks who want to have a more restricted session on Wednesday from 7 to 3 at NGA Campus West.
Right.
So, but it's
and then I think there's something else going on after that, or
right. So we have the Stimulate. It's called Stimulate St. Louis at the St. Louis University from 4 to 7 p.m. Wednesday, and that's it's a free K through 12 STEM event. Families are invited to participate in promoting STEM and geospatial education, which is that would be kind of interesting to check out too.
I RSVP'd for it already. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anything else for me? Oh, how about we talk about a couple of the sponsors for this event too? So
sure, pick one.
Well, we have just to kind of get an idea of who's, and this gives it some insight of who's going to be here too, especially from the industry day. So obviously we have Esri. Esri is a big sponsor with USGF events in general.
Right.
Leidos is a big one. Maxar.
Yeah, we've got quite a few of the big boys in
Deloitte.
here as well, and that's great to see.
But this is the first big sponsorship I've seen of Hawkeye 360 as well, right? So
I've seen a few here and there, but yeah, this is for this event. This is great to see, actually bringing the SIGINT together with the geospatial, or into the EMINT or geospatial world.
There are also a number of smaller sponsorships, but local ones. So which is interesting. And there's one with an arch here, and I'm trying to figure out what that actually is.
It's the St. Louis, let's see.
Keeping St. Louis
Development Corporation.
Yeah, so that'd be an interesting. So you also have a number of local ones. The Globe Building.
I think I'm a better imagery analyst than you.
Right. Well,
you zoomed in on the screen here.
As well. No, see, years of imagery have forced me to wear glasses, right? I might need a better prescription. So anyway, we're going to be here in St. Louis covering the event. We'll try to propose more videos throughout the next couple days. and hope to see how St. Louis is evolving the geospatial community locally.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really looking forward to it, and it's beautiful weather here, and looking forward to all the great folks we get to meet and we get to talk about on our next episode.
Awesome. Well, once again, my name is Adam Simmons.
And I'm Mason Rothman.
Thanks for joining us.